Good morning to all our investors. This is Swapnil Shah. Markets, crude is in our favor. Gradually, crude is growing now. So one macro big factor is in India's favor. Other thing is gradually whatever happens between US and China, India would be somewhere indirect beneficiary. So broadly, like from a 1 year, 2 year, 3 year perspective, the production shift to some extent would happen in India. So second macro factor, India is better placed. And third, the interest rates gradually are going very low now. Currently, the repo rate has reached to close to 5.75%. So interest rate down globally also. The US yield is close to 2% now, which is again a positive factor that money won't shift in a major way to other developed countries. So these three macro factors are positive. Currently, market is witnessing pressure due to this NBFC's case. It would take 3 to 6 months for all these things to settle down. There would be stock-specific impact rather than a sector impact. The interest rates which are going down, that won't be easily passed on to the customers because of this ongoing NBFC issue. Because the rate of interest in the new launches would be still higher. So there would be a delay for 3 to 6 months. But overall, if you see, these strong companies are not losing, the market prices are not falling. If you see HUL or if you see Britannia's of the world, they're again reaching to new highs. So what will happen? All these things will settle down, I think, in a matter of 3 to 6 months. Don't bet aggressively still on mid-caps. It will purely be a stock-specific rally. And let's see how markets pans out after the budget. Thank you.
Good morning, investors. This is Hansraj Modi. Index has closed at 11,923. As we have mentioned earlier also that the range of 11,850, 11,800, which was earlier acting as resistance, is acting as support now. So view remains positive till we are maintaining above the level of 11,800. On the higher side, we have resistance at 11,980, 12,050 and 12,170. Even on the derivative front, we have highest OI concentration in 12,000 call option and 11,900 put option. So these two will act as support and resistance. Talking about Bank Nifty, it has closed around 31,000 odd levels. It has immediate support at 30,800. Till it is maintaining above 30,800, we can expect it to continue its up move towards 31,360, 31,700. While support past 30,800 comes at 30,600 and 30,300. Talking about overall view on the sectors, auto sector is the one which we have recommended earlier also for some pullback and some action in the coming weeks. So one more stock which we like from the sector is M&M. The stock has closed around 746 levels. We like it for a target of 646. We like it for a target of 730. While support comes at 615 and 589. The stock has formed positive divergence in RSI. Also, it has formed a bullish reversal candlestick near its support zone, which makes it a good buy for the coming weeks. Another stock which is very volatile in nature but seems to have entered oversold area is Motherson Sumi. The stock has closed around 119 levels. We like it for a target of 130 and 143. While support comes at 114 and 110. The stock has formed positive divergence in RSI. Also, it has formed Morning Star, which is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern near its support zone, which makes it a good buy for the coming few weeks. Talking about one major asset class from one major currency, that is dollar index. Dollar index has closed around 96.7 levels. This particular currency, it is forming a bearish reversal price pattern. It is forming rising wedge, which is bearish in nature, and recently it has reversed from its upper end. Also, the recent high of around 98 levels coincides with 61.8% retracement from where at which level it was consolidating for past couple of weeks. So talking about overall move from dollar index, we are expecting it to come down towards 94.40 and 93.40 levels, while resistance comes at 97.10 and 97.40. Now, why we are discussing about dollar index is it has any move down move in dollar index will have impact, especially positive impact on precious metal, that is gold and silver, which we have already seen good action in gold and silver in past few weeks. Apart from that, it will also benefit other currencies. Talking about its impact on equity market, usually it is seen that whenever dollar index has reversed from any key resistance or have seen meaningful decline, usually US markets reacts negative to that news. So for such views, reports and updates, do subscribe to our Facebook page. Also, you can find the research reports on our website, that is bpl.com, and please share this video. Thank you.